What's up, everyone? This is Alex from Ask Alex Woodworks. Today I want to talk about the miter saw. The miter saw for me is my workhorse in the shop. I use it pretty much every day. Some people don't use it that often, but between this and the table saw, I use those two all the time. But for me, safety is my top priority, and I've been using a miter saw for many, many years, and I've gotten a little lax with the safety. So about a year ago, I found this awesome tool that is a must-have for any woodworker. Let me show you a little bit about this tool. But first, I just want to go over a few things with the miter saw. There's one safety feature that comes with a DeWalt miter saw, and it's this material clamp. And this is fine if you're cutting just one or two pieces and you want to clamp them down so you don't have to hold your hand next to the blade. But if you're cutting, say, 15 pieces, 20 pieces, this is going to add 20 minutes to your time, because every time you have to adjust this, you have to set it down, you got to tighten it, and that just takes forever. This is where this comes in handy. This is called a $10 million stick. I think I paid $27 on Amazon, something like that. So instead of using this clamp, say I'm making a dog kennel, which I've made a bunch of them, and I have to make 20 cuts on my miter saw. That's where this comes in handy. And this thing will save you a lot of time and save your digits, because you get one shot at your fingers, and if you mess up and they're gone, they don't come back. So take some time, use this safety equipment, and this will save you headaches and fingers. Let me show you how it works. So I have some scrap pine here, and I just threw 5-inch measurements. So let's say I have 5 pieces at 5 inches I have to cut real quick. I just marked them out. So instead of using the clamp that comes with the DeWalt, I have my $10 million stick. Now, as you can see, I'm able to keep my hand almost a foot away from the blade. So even if you have to get really close, within 2 inches to the blade, this will still work. This is a great safety tool, and everyone should use it. I use mine all the time. So I hope you got something from this video. This saved my finger one time. I was cutting a piece of walnut and had a slight bow in it, and I had to get real tight up against the blade. So I had this stick holding the walnut down. Now when I was cutting, I saw the bow, and I was like, it'll be okay, I'll just cut it real quick. When I was cutting, it pinched the blade, pulled the wood into the blade, and nipped the tip of this off. Now if I was holding that with my hand, tip of my finger would have definitely been gone. Something like we all have done. I should have known better. Thank God I was using this and not my fingers, but I just get into a habit of using this, and I'm trying to get more into a habit of using safety equipment. Hopefully you'll pick one of these up and be safe with all your power tools in the shop. I'll see you at the next one.